Alright, it's on.
Okay, we're trying the cinnamon challenge.
You're gonna spit it up all over the floor and then the carpet's gonna be brown.
Alright, that's not good. Smells good.
It smells good, but I'm scared.
Hold on.
More.
I wanna.
Sure.
Oh my god, look at the bed and the floor. Alright.
You idiot.
That's okay, we can clean it. Alright, you ready?
Alright, ready?
Hold on. Wait, hold on. Switch.
Where's the water?
Wait, hold on.
What are we
Put it
doing?
that hand.
Yeah, y'all probably gonna need water.
Do it the romantic way. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Alright, ready? Come on.
One.
You have to try to swallow it too.
I
1,
know.
2, go. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Ew. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god. They invented this.
It feels like your mouth is turning to sand, huh?
Oh.
Y'all got anything to say?
It was fucking awful.
That was gross as hell.
Okay, I'm about to end it.
Alright, wait.
Look at the floor.
Dude, I just like pretty much threw it up. I was just like,
Ugh.
oh my god, my goodness.
Taylor, look, you got like this one weird streak.
You okay, Rosie? No.
Alright. Bye.